Hi guys, okay, so this is the pink shirt that we're going to be redesigning today. It's very simple. Hi Barbie, are you playing? So we added a few grommets, we redesigned it, and it's a very easy project, so let's begin. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So here we are at Hobby Lobby. We're gonna do our first craft projects. So I'm really excited about that. Also too, Emily wanted me to come here and film at Hobby Lobby. So Emily, this is for you too. So I wanted to tell you guys about the Burt's Bees. Now this again is the pink blossom. We love this. We're not gonna buy another color until we use this. So I told you guys this would not melt in your car. Well, don't hold it upside down. Don't put it like it was in my cup holder. It was upside down. It had melted into the cap, but we cleaned it out. But as you can see, it's pretty solid. So keep it straight up and it shouldn't melt on you. So let's get started. Okay, so here we are. We're about to go in. Oh my gosh, it's so hot out here, but I felt a few raindrops. So let's get in before it starts raining. Oh my gosh, you guys, I could totally move in. So this is $97. That's not too bad. I really like this here, but I don't see a price. Let's see, this one's $188. It's just a cabinet. These chairs, $97. Those are really cute. Oh, I love things like this. You can put tons of craft items in here. That's $139. This is just the inside of the store, right inside the door. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look how cute that is. That's $2.99. Oh, this is really cute. Velvet. Oh, those are half off. Some of the items here are kind of pricey, but I do love the style. All right, so you guys, let's try to stay focused. Okay guys, and to do our fuzzy shirt, you just buy something like this. It's $2.99. There's lots of colors to choose from. So pick your favorite color. They don't have pink though, but I actually happen to have some at home. We finally found the grommets. So exciting. Okay, so just make sure that when you do buy the grommets that you buy the correct tool. Okay, so for instance, this one here, this one, it says you can use with 15 and 32 inch the 12 millimeter. Just again, make sure you guys go down here and pick the correct one. So there's all different sorts to choose from, so take your pick. These tiny little clothespins, aren't these so cute? And you know, I am obsessed with paper clips. However, we're not gonna buy any. Very tempting though. Look at how cute those are. Those are eyelashes. So cute. Yes, we're still here at Hobby Lobby. I probably have been in here like an hour already. So we need to get our items and we need to go. This is really cute. So you open your bottle here and boom, it falls right in the basket. I'll show you really quick the glitter pillows. Look how cute these are. These are pineapples and look, little donuts. Everything is unicorns, I swear. Look at the cactus and the owls. Oh my gosh, you guys. So paper clips. I actually have these. Okay guys, so what we're gonna do today, and apparently we have a helper. This is Tiffany. Hi Tiff. Okay, so excuse me. Okay, we're gonna have to go down. Thank you for helping. Come back soon. Oh, and there's the other one down there. That's the Barbie. Okay, so we saw these shirts at the Carson's clearance, and these were literally over $40, even at a reduced price. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it on this tank. When you guys buy this craft fur, I happen to have this already cut out. When you do cut it, just make sure that you fold over the fur and very carefully cut it. Otherwise, the fur right here is going to be short and it's going to look funny. So just be really careful. But you can buy this craft stems. So they're fuzzy. You can make it in the shape of a circle. So you can just, you know, shape it into whatever you want. I don't want to cut it, but you can get the idea. This is a heart. You can either outline it, which, I don't know, the colors really don't match. So, and actually I like this pink better. So, you know, just shape it into any item that you want. So yeah, something like this, you know, you guys get the idea. And the one at Carson's, they had their hearts sewn on. They actually had like stars and whatnot. But how are you going to wash this? So what we're going to do is we're going to use Velcro. This is very inexpensive. Just make sure that you get both the hook and the loop. And we are going to sew the hook side to 3 different places on the heart. It's so hot outside. I swear, I think half of my mascara melted off. So we're going to sew this with the purple thread. The reason is because, you know, those little dollar kits, those sewing kits, I swear to God, we probably have 14 of them. We can't even find one. So we found some purple thread though. Okay, so now we're done sewing. Boy, that was quite a job. So look how cute that is. So cute. And it's already like 95 degrees outside. So we're going to have Paris the mannequin try on our outfits. So again, this is the fuzzy shirt that we did. So cute. And you know, if you ever do change your mind, all you have to do, and you don't want this anymore, just take this off. I mean, we barely sewed them on, as you can tell. So they come off very easily. Okay, so next up we have this really beautiful pink shirt. This is like one of my favorite shirts. We got it in Florida. And look, makeup. Anyways, so what we're going to do is we're going to cut it down and we're going to add grommets. So hopefully this will be out of the way so you really won't see it too much. So let's get started. So you'll need some grommets. So just make sure that you get the correct tool for the correct grommet. And you'll also need one more tool. You'll need a hammer, but I can't find mine, so it's in one of the boxes. So look what we have. This is an old-fashioned mallet. I mean, look at that. This is really, really old. However, this will do the trick. So we just very carefully cut this down the middle. So next, determine where you want to position the grommets, and then we're going to cut a tiny hole in each of these. Okay, so basically what we did is we just cut a tiny little hole in here, and actually this is the back. So our little tool, we take this, we put this on top, and then what we do is you might have to do a little bit bigger of a hole. Okay, so what we did is we cut a little bit bigger of a hole. Again, you have your tool, okay, the ridge up. You put this with the spikes on top. You kind of stretch the material, not all the way. And then you take the top, as you can see, place it here. And then you grab your little second part of the tool. You put it here. You give it a few whacks. You give it a few hard whacks. Ta-da! We have our first grommet. Okay, so 5 to go. So we're going to finish up. And to make it a little easier, what I do is the top one, which is this, I put it through the hole like that, and it makes it a little bit easier to hammer. So putting on these grommets is not as easy as it looks. Okay, so if you can see here, there's some edges sticking out. So what I do is turn it on the back, put this underneath, put this on top, and then you can smooth the edges down. So look how cute this is. Oh my gosh. So cute. We put 3 on each side. You can put strings through this or not. I prefer not to at this time. Probably gonna have to wear another shirt underneath here, so just saying. So cute. And so people will be really distracted. They won't even notice the stain, so. So this is another sweatshirt that I did last year. Basically, it's just a $5 sweatshirt. You put the grommets in. I basically cut it. I did sew the insides right here. And then just, you know, I use a shoestring to put through it. So I just, you know, I really just don't want to spend $75 on just a sweatshirt. And here's another one. I didn't make this, but this is an inspiration. And you know, I really don't wear the sweatshirt because, you know, duh, everybody knows. So I usually wear it inside out. So as you can see, they're on the side. So cute. And this is the one I bought at Carson's, oh my gosh, way last year. Now, I love their brand, okay, but look at the price tag. It's $46. So any old sweatshirt, any hoodie that you have, you can do this. All you have to do is just, you know, just cut it down. You could sew it on the inside if you want to complete it, and then just put your grommets. So cute. And then here's the one that we just completed. And look who's walking the tightrope. Don't fall. Barbie, Barbie.